Hey guys, 2Qs here. It is new skate day for me. I'm excited to be trying out the new Standard Omnis. If you're not familiar with the company Standard, they're a new company, and these skates were designed and made by Law from Back to Blading, which is pretty awesome in itself. So super excited to be trying these. Thought it'd be kind of fun to recreate my first video back into skating, which was in 2018. So, and I'll be honest, I don't know anything about this stuff. I used to rollerblade, or I used to skate when I was a kid, and I stopped probably around 2003. It's been quite a while now. So I'm back in the same place, different couch, upgraded couch, and now upgraded skates. I have been skating the USD Aeons for the last few years now. They are a budget skate that has held up just fine. I'm not gonna go into a review of these, but this is what I'm coming from. Got some nice laces on there. I guess without further ado, let's just hop into it. We're gonna unbox these and then test them out. Wow, I got the most dull razor in the world here. Always cut away from yourself. There we go. Got a receipt, pretty standard receipt here. Nice, standard, huh? I didn't even mean to do that. Oh, sick, we got some stickers there. That's pretty awesome. I love these. Hey, 2Qs, thanks for the support. Hope you like the Omni. I have no doubts I will. The only thing I am a little worried about is these being a little bit too big, but if that's the case, we might just do a giveaway. Cool little like postcard with the team, it looks like. So I don't want to say their names wrong, so, but they got the 3 people there from Columbus, Ohio, Detroit, Michigan, and Chicago, Illinois. So that's pretty cool. They're kind of spread out everywhere. Super excited to see more from them. There we go. Oh, it looks like a little poster maybe. Oh, heck yeah. That's awesome. That's definitely going up. Says the new standard is coming. We'll put that somewhere. Now the ultimate test. Straight, you can't see it, but straight into the box. Here they are though. Go ahead and put this to the side. I did get the flat setup, so they'd come with some extra wheels there. Which, some new bearings and new wheels are very much welcome. I've been rocking those for way too long. Oh, nice. The heel lifts come out of the boot, so you can put those in or leave them out, I guess. See, they have adhesive on the bottom there. And some new liners are going to be very much welcomed. Oh. Oh, that's sick. They have like the little design on the bottom there. You got the S on the back, and there's this little thing in here. I think this is what they had added. One cool thing was that there was no lack of communication in terms of letting us know what was going on with the order. I was not at any point wondering like, oh man, where are my skates? It very much felt like I was a part of the process, even though I had nothing to do with anything. And that's very cool. The frames come in this nice little bag here. I feel like if anybody knows the value of a nice unboxing experience, it would be Law. So there's the frames with the wheels and the anti-rocker setup. Again, I did get the flat. I do like to skate flat. I saw that they actually came out with threads specifically for the Omni boot to rock some wish frames if you wanted to do that. I have always wanted to try them, but never really wanted to mess with, getting a Dremel or anything like that. Maybe we'll try that out this time around.
Got the goods.
If you're not familiar with wish frames or Oysi frames, however you want to say it, there's just frames that allow you to use bigger wheels because the wheels kind of recess into the skate itself or the boot. All right. So here we are, medium chassis. And usually I'm very much just a plain Jane, black or white skate sort of guy, or gray. But I did decide to change it up and try something different. So I got the yellow. I don't think I've ever bought anything that's yellow before. Heck yeah, you know how I feel about stickers. We got a few of them here, awesome. But yeah, I'm glad to finally have these. I've been wanting to try these out forever. And then in terms of what wheels I got for them, let's check it out. My handy dandy knife. Always cut away from you and towards somebody else. Got some 50/50, 65, 90A. So 90 hardness. And then for whatever reason, I wanted something grippier in the inside. So I went with some dead. These are like marble looking. So we'll have these in the middle. And these are 58, 88A. So we'll see, might be a good combination, might be a bad combination. I figure we'll have a little bit more grip on the inside. But yeah, let's set up the wish frames and see how they are. First time in a skate park with these skates on now. Forget that I'm mic'd up, but basically when I drop in, I'm dropping right into the sun, and I can't see shit. Whoa, that could have been bad.
You had to get it in the groove on those?
Yeah, so these are, like, this part is called the frame, and these are special frames to where the wheels kind of actually go up into the boot a little bit, which is not normal. And what that allows is a bigger groove here. Because most of the grooves are a little bit smaller, so you get wheel bite hella easy. But with these, it makes it easier. So I just, like, it was all brand new setup. I just got these boots, just got the frame, brand new wheels. So this is my first time at the park with them testing them out.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
So that's kind of tough.